Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a design like this. So I have created a design on a leaf, and you can see here there is a design of India which is of the same color as the leaf, and it looks very pretty. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of design. So we'll go over to Canva here. So we'll go to the Canva and we'll go to custom size. And here I'm going to choose the width as 1280 and height as 720. Now you can choose any size you want. I just use this as an example. So you're feel free to choose whatever size you want. Now under the elements, we will look for something called as leaf here. And let me see if I can find within the straight direction. And I'll go over to the photos here, and the straight leaf didn't get me anything. I'm just going to change it to leaf. And let's see if we find something on the under the photos. And this is the leaf I liked, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to increase the size, and the next thing that I'll do is I look under the elements. I look for India, and I look for Silhouette India, means a design of India here. And let's see what I find, and I'll go to the graphics, and you can see here this looks very cool. So I'm going to go ahead and add this and increase the size of this and put it in the center like this. And you got it ready. And I'm going to change this from black to white. Similarly, these other small trees also I'm going to change it to white. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So the first thing is ready. I'm going to duplicate this page by clicking on this duplicate button here, and I'll try to add another element here, and this time it's going to be a shape. Okay, and this is the shape I'm going to choose. Let's say we chose a square shape. We'll add on top of it, and I'm going to change it to yellow color, or any color you want. Okay, whichever color you prefer you can change it to, but keep it consistent. Okay, so this is my thing, and I'm going to get rid of this leaf here. But before that, let's put this layer, send it to back. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of this leaf here, and this looks very nice. So I have added this design of India on this yellow element. Now I'm going to download this, share, download, and I'll only download the page second of my document here, and I'm going to click on done, and I'll call this as a leaf design. Okay, so click on download, and we will download it, and we'll call it as leaf design, and we'll hit save here. Then the next thing is we'll add to the page, and we will upload that image, and I'm going to upload this image here. So upload, and I'll go to the leaf design, and the first thing I'll do is I'm going to remove the background. Okay, so what the background it is going to remove, it's going to remove this extra white that is there. Okay, so not this yellow part, but this white part. I'll show you in a minute. So if you go to this and you change it to black, this white portion that you see, that is what this background remover is going to do. So I'm going to select my image, go to edit image, and then I'll go to BG remover, and what it'll do is it will remove this white portion, and that is what I am left with. Okay, now what I can do is I can go back to white color here. That was just to show you that it has removed that white background that was there. Now what I'll do is I'll go and copy this leaf that I had, Control C, and I'll paste it over here, Control V, and I'm going to send this leaf backwards, send to back, and I'm going to increase the size a bit here. And then what I'll do is I'm going to send backward, and then this is how it looks like. And let's reduce the size. Go to the position, layers, we have leaf in the background, and then this is what we have. And then I'm going to go over and reduce this, select my leaf, and I'm going to reduce the size of this leaf here and do this. Similarly on this side also I'm going to reduce it, and then a little bit from here as well. Now what I'll do is I'm going to add yellow color, the same yellow color here as the background. Okay, so what I did is I have now this leaf design, which is basically the leaf color of the same leaf that I'm using. Now I've added that as the background, and I'm going to download this image, share, and hit on download, and I'm going to download only page number 3. And if you remember here, now I have the background as yellow. So this time if I do background remover, what it's going to do is it's going to remove all the yellow color from my image. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the done here and do download, and it's going to download here, and we're going to call it as leaf design 2, and this is my design so far. So what I've done is, first step is we added a leaf, then we added a design of India on top of it, and then what we did was we just got the design of India, we changed it to white color. On top of that we added an element of the yellow color, or you can choose any color you want. And then what we did was we downloaded it as an image. Then on the next page we removed the background of that image, and then we added the same leaf background onto that. Now what I'll do is I'm going to go over here and get rid of this, and now I'll go to uploads and I'll upload this leaf design number 2 here, and I'll add it onto this. I'm going to increase the size here, and what I'll do is I'm going to put it on top of this, and this time I'm going to do BG remover, and it's going to remove the yellow portion. Okay, and you see here I'm going to go ahead and layer it and send to back. Now I'm going to select this, not this one. You can see here I'm going to select this, and I'm going to get this thing, and this is my leaf here, and I'm going to increase the size of this, and I put it on top of it. Okay, so this is my leaf design that I've created. So what I did was I've downloaded it as an image, and this time when I did BG remover, it removed the yellow color, so I was left with the same green color as that of the leaf. So this is the design I was talking about. It looks so beautiful, and you can apply similar kind of design, the same steps to any design. Whichever design you want, you can do the same exact steps, and you can create designs like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.